At Free and Sun Plumbing and Heating Incorporated, we're committed to providing comprehensive plumbing and HVAC services you can rely on. Serving clients in Wauseon, Ohio, and throughout Fulton County, we're here to make sure your home is comfortable and in working order all year long. Free and Sun is fully licensed to work in Ohio, so you can rest easy when you trust our team for HVAC services and plumbing repairs. We can fix everything from a leaky faucet to clogged toilets, and we're qualified to handle a range of plumbing services. At Free and Sun Plumbing and Heating, we also offer air conditioner repairs, installation and maintenance, as well as heating system repairs, installation and maintenance. We are locally owned. We are your neighbors and look forward to working for you. Free and Sun is a certified Luxair dealer. Call us today. Don't delay.